plant, our farms, mango orchards, crops, fishes, all will remain safe. They will not be adversely affected due to this at all.
Sameer dear, we will not forget today's visit all through our lives.
Come on now. I will take you all towards the village and the colony. Hello, Mr. Sinha. How are you doing?
Hello, Mr. Kumar.
So, where are you taking your grandson today?
Well, I was just roaming around. You tell me.
Well, I'm not going anywhere. These are my friends who have come from Jagdishpur today. I have come to show them the colony and the village. Mr. Budhia, this is Mr. Sinha. He has worked in this nuclear power plant for 40 years and now after retirement, he has settled here along with his family. He has a son, a daughter and one naughty grandson. His daughter is studying abroad and his son is also working in some big company on a good post. You can see how fit and healthy Mr. Sinha is even now.
Yes, looking at him, nobody can say that he has retired and has worked for 40 years in the nuclear power plant.
Wow! The roads are so good and clean. There are covered gutters too.
Hey, look there. There are hand pumps for water at several places.
Have you people done all this?
Oh yes, all this progress has taken place in the village after the setting up of the nuclear power plant.
Did you see, Uncle? Had I not told you?
Oh wow! This village also has a school for girls. That's great. In our village, there is no school even for boys. Here, even the girls go to school.
Hey, this is a tailoring unit. Who gave them these sewing machines?
We have provided them with the means of self-employment. These girls stitch the clothes which are used in the nuclear power plant and we buy them at an appropriate price.
Wow, this is indeed a very good thing.
Hello, Dr. Abha. How are you?
I'm absolutely fine. You tell me.
What's the matter? There is quite a crowd today. Is there any good news?
Oh yes, today Fulwa, the wife of fisherman Pandu from the village, has given birth to twins. All have come to congratulate her. Hence the crowd.
Oh wow! Congratulate her on my behalf too.
Did you see Parvati auntie? Savita auntie was absolutely wrong. Today you have seen for yourself that there is no radiation from nuclear power plant. Else Phulba would never become a mother.
Yes, Sameer dear, you were right. I will reprimand Savita after returning to the village.
Come, I will now show you all the colony. The colony is slightly far, so we will all go by bus.
Wow, this is a lovely colony. Everything is so very well planned and pretty. Even cleanliness has been taken into consideration. I feel like staying here after seeing this lovely colony.
You have seen how a nuclear power plant contributes towards the progress of the entire village and the surrounding areas. I'm fully confident that you all must have understood a lot of things after visiting this place, and the doubts in your minds must now have all been cleared.
Oh yes sir. Actually, when Sameer had told us, we did believe him. But after visiting the nuclear power plant today, all our doubts are cleared.
Yes, all our doubts and misunderstandings have been cleared now.
Yes, we have now understood what is the real meaning of progress and why progress is required.
And yes, we will not stay in thatched houses any longer. Even our houses will be permanent ones.
Well, thanks a lot, all of you, for visiting our nuclear power plant. So, I thank you on behalf of NPCIL. You are most welcome whenever you wish to visit again. We will be happy to greet you and all your friends.
Thanks a lot to you too, sir, for spending your valuable time showing us the nuclear power plant.
Sameer dear, we are feeling very proud after visiting the nuclear power plant today. We all are very happy.
Yes, dear. Today is the most fortunate day of my life.
Even I will remember this day for many years to come.
I will surely come here again.
The next day, people attend the village chopal and decide to prepare a positive plan for the future. What happens next after Budhya and the villagers are back from their trip to the nuclear power plant? What happens when Budhya tells others about the nuclear power plant? Will there be a nuclear power plant set up at their village? To know more, just grab the next issue. The Awakening of Budhya. The story of how Jagdishpur is transformed into an ideal village. Nuclear energy, nation's energy, clean India.